Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we are diving into something very, very exciting. We're talking about carburetors, but not just any old mingly OEM carbs. We're looking into the Keihin CR29 Carbs and why a lot of people consider this the best upgrade for your cafe racer. My name is David, and welcome back to Z's Garage. So what makes these carbs so special? Well, for starters, these carbs were designed with precision and with performance in mind. They offer superior throttle response and increased power output, transforming your riding experience with your cafe racer to the next level. Whether you're looking for smoother acceleration or that extra bit of punch, these carbs, at least I think, can deliver. But let's get into the nitty-gritty of these carbs and how Keihin carbs stack up against the OEM carbs. Now, the OEM carbs, they are fine. You don't really have to replace them. It's not like a must. They don't do exactly super well with pod filters, but a lot of people replace the jets inside of them in order to make it work. And these carbs weren't designed exactly for performance. They were mass-produced with a focus in fuel economy and reliability. And that's why so many people love these Hondas and kind of like these carbs. But again, they don't do well with pods. You really have to run the old airbox on it, and that doesn't exactly look great. But sometimes the OEM carbs are just not enough power. And where the OEM carbs lack power, the Keihin carbs come in. The Keihin carbs were designed for efficiency and power. The bigger bore size allows for a better fuel and air mixture, allowing for a bigger combustion, which gets more horsepower. And what does every rider want? They want more horsepower. Another big difference is the build quality and materials that are being used. Keihin carbs are known for their robust construction and durability. They're made from extremely high quality materials that can withstand the intensity of high performance riding. This means that not only performance is better, but also it lasts longer. So reducing the need for frequent maintenance. In this video, we're gonna install the Keihin carbs and we're gonna take it for a test spin, and hopefully we're gonna figure out quickly if these carbs are worth it. And I have a feeling that I'm gonna have a lot better experience with these carbs compared to the previous carbs that I've had. So let's get into it. Okay, so the carbs are on, the throttle cable, push-pull cable, all that is on. Fuel line, get a little check mark right there. The only issue that I'm running into is this. This is the filter that it came with. This metal right here, is catching and not allowing it to sit properly on the carbs. I tried shoving it on there. Maybe I'm just a little bit weak and can't get it on there, but it's just not sitting. And every time I tighten it, it just pops off and then, you know, it just falls. So I think the workaround is this. This is a pod filter that I had laying around. I actually bought it for this project and it fits perfectly. Sits on there properly, and when I tighten it, it's really on there. So, and I also really like the look of it. So I think we're just gonna install these and go with it, and we'll just keep moving forward. Let's do it. Yes. Oh. So these carbs are awesome. I love them. I will say, I only drove about 5 to 10 miles with them, but I had absolutely no issues with them at all. And to be honest, the power that these carbs provide are impressive. They are truly race carbs. And if you're building a cafe racer and you're looking for new carbs, I can't say enough about it because these carbs are just so awesome. They're super efficient in power. They're definitely designed and engineered very well, and I would highly suggest them. And I think, to be honest, definitely worth it. I mean, I know higher price tag, but they're really awesome. And if you're building a cafe racer, I definitely suggest it. Anyways, guys, so the next video, we are getting, really close to being done with this project, which is really exciting. And I have actually like a pretty big announcement, and I'm really excited. We're teaming up with NWT Cycletronics to do another wiring harness. They saw my video, and shout out to NWT. They're really awesome, and I truly love their product. And they're giving me some unreleased products to put on this motorcycle. So I'm really excited to do that. I'm really excited to show you guys all these products that they sent me, and I'm just so stoked. So thank you guys for everything. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. I love making these videos for you guys, and I hope you truly enjoy them. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.